How to download Resident Evil Requiem and is it worth it? Resident Evil Requiem is finally here, and many players are asking how to download it, how much it costs, and whether it is worth buying. First, how do you download it? Open Google and search for the official store of your platform. If you are on PC, search for Steam and open the official Steam website. If you are on PlayStation 5, open the PlayStation Store. If you are on Xbox Series X or Series S, open the Microsoft Store. Inside the store, type Resident Evil Requiem in the search bar. The game page will appear. Choose your edition, complete the purchase, and once the payment is confirmed, you will see the download button. Click download and the game will install on your computer or console. What about the price? The price may vary depending on your country and local currency. Some regions may have higher prices, while others may have regional discounts. Can you play it on mobile? No, there is no official Android or iPhone version. The game is designed only for console and PC hardware. Is it worth buying? If you enjoy survival horror and cinematic gameplay, it could be one of the biggest horror games of 2026. If you are unsure, watch gameplay reviews before deciding. Are you buying it on day one?